West Virginia, a holistic approach to education greatly benefits our children. We must ensure they are healthy, safe, and supported so they may reach their full potential. Communities in Schools serves more than 120,000 students across West Virginia, addressing needs like access to clean clothes, transportation, and food insecurity, impacting lives and building lasting community relationships to help students stay focused today and go further tomorrow.
My name is Sean Ball from L&S Toyota. My family and I have supported schools in West Virginia for a long time. This year, we have decided to join some friends in donating over $1 million to the success of West Virginia students. Keep the ball rolling, West Virginia.
Hi, I'm Larry Pack.
And I'm Lisa Pack.
West Virginia students are our future. They deserve a world-class education and our support.
So that's why we are joining others across the Mountain State to provide much-needed support for our students.
Let's keep the ball rolling, West Virginia.
Hello everyone, I'm Brad Smith, and I'm a big believer that education is the great equalizer. It transforms problems into possibilities and dreams into reality. Elise and I are so excited to join this statewide effort to provide our schools and our students with access to resources so they can transform their dreams into reality. So let's keep the ball rolling, West Virginia.
We know being present matters for students. When their essential needs are met, they are more likely to succeed. We are calling on everyone in our communities to show up for our kids, ensuring they have the support necessary to attend school and be ready to learn. When we show up, our kids show up.